Hi guys, welcome to a third tutorial in Java for beginners, and in here we're just going to look at this while condition, which actually will give us the same like a value, a true or false value. So it's like a stable condition as well. So we have a byte, and my byte is 56, right? You know a byte is minus 127, I think the plus is 128. That's its maximum range. So what I'm saying, while my byte is less than 70, which it is less, print out true. Okay? Now I'm going to increment this because if it don't, I will get an indefinite loop. So when it goes through this, it's going to be 56, add 1, 57, all the way through. And when you run it, we'll just run it here with you, and we'll run. There you go. Tiny bit slower than usual, but there you go. All the way to 69, because it's not going to give it to 70. Now, that's simple enough. But if I take out this, what do you think is going to happen now? Something that I don't like doing, but it's going to do it anyway. And there you go. See this? See it jumping? It's an infinite loop. It will never ever stop because it's always going to be less than 70. So to stop that, hit this button here. Okay, so that's something I advise to do because it can cause problems. But hey, I wanted to show you, so I did. I'll just put this back here the way it was. Once you know again, that's my increment. So there's your while, and that will print out that. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, and you can see you in tutorial 4 when we move on to the do while. Alright, see you then, bye bye.